Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.